Welcome everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to remove the noise from your audio files on Android. So you want to find this app on Google Play. I'll recommend the premium version because the free version has a 2-minute limit on saving the files, the audio files. You get the app, you open it, press the 3 dots on the top right, the recorder. You want to record 30 seconds of silence, and that will pick up the noise from your microphone. You want to save that. Want to save it. Here's the name. Change it to something you can remember, such as noise. I don't know, anything. So I already have that. Here it is. Then you want to go ahead and record something that whatever you want. This will also work for videos. I'll show you right away. But first, let's try with a recording. So yeah, this is the recording that I have. You want to go to effects. You want to try, like, if you already have enough, if you already have enough noise in your recording, you can choose that. But we're gonna go ahead and add some noise. Gonna go ahead and add the file that we have recorded earlier with the silence, total silence. Next, press this button. Next, move the slider here all the way to the end. Effects, noise reduction. Move the slider that way, then this one this way. You want to cover all the silence you have in the recording, just like that. Next, this is the settings I use. You can try and find your own, because this should probably matter on your voice. Okay, and then the noise is gone. You want to trim it, just like that. Trim. There you go. This is the result, and the noise is gone. So yeah, this is it. What I also like to do is go to effects, compressor, and use these settings. Sometimes I do it multiple times. Basically, makes all the sounds almost as equal in volume. So this will also work for videos. Like, you can do this basically the same thing. Save the file, save the file, put a name there, save it as an MP3. This is the setting I use, and you can add it on a video editor. I might show you guys in the next video if you want a tutorial on that. If you found it useful, leave a like. If not, leave a dislike. Thanks for watching.